Help support the companies that support our community. Welcome, this is Turning Tip Tuesday, episode number 4. So I had a couple of things that I had used in the video and on the last turning tip that people wanted to know about. So first of all, the Sharpening Jake. I have a 8-inch low-speed grinder. It's 1725 RPMs and it's a half horse. So a couple of people had a question about whether they could use a half horse motor with that, and mine has a little riser block on it to make everything work. And I know some of them were taller, but mine I had to put a 3/4 inch plywood under it to get that to fit. And I had a bunch of questions about the Vari-Grind, so I will put a link down below in the description to Thomson tools, to their website, because he has this on there. You can print this off. That's all I did, was its actual size, put it right on there, lock it right down, and I've never moved it. I did, when I just went to look at it though, he recommends overhanging the tools 1 3/4 inches, and my little jig is 2 inches, so apparently I've been doing it wrong the whole time. I don't know if it's just the grind, because the further it sticks out there, the more the wings are going to be pulled back on it. So that might be why my wings are pulled back a little more. It works for me, but I think I'm going to try doing the 1 3/4 and just see what that does and how well that works too. But if you want to set your Vari-Grind, just go down, print that off, put it right on there, and it works perfect. So that's all I did. I didn't, and I don't know, it doesn't say what angle it is. I even went on One Way's website to see if they had it on there. They don't have a template. And they don't give you the degrees it is. I don't know. It's like almost the 3rd notch there. I have no idea what that is. All right. Every time I use this, I get a lot of questions. I try and put it down in the description where I got it. I think I forgot on the last video. But it is Trent Bosch is the one that makes this. I'll have the link down below in the description. It is a carving stand, so you just loosen it up. This thing pivots wherever you want it. It spins around in your chuck, so it works fantastic. I've had it a couple of years. The quality is top notch. It is a well-built little jig. So you put it in there, move your piece around wherever you need to, spin it around. So it's super well built. Again, I'll put a link down below to that. So I use it a lot for carving, for painting stuff. I even used it on the last piece when I was doing the inlay on it. And that way I could just tip the piece down and try and keep it a little bit level so the CA glue didn't run out the sides. All right, the finish. So I used epoxy finish on the last one and had a few questions about that. So you just mix it up. I put it on with a paintbrush. I've even seen Mike from Stone Coat just put it on with his hands. He'll do like a wood piece. He just rubs it all over it with his hands. You don't have to get real critical, but what I did was I put it on pretty thick and just used the paintbrush and just kind of evened it out, and then you just let it sit. It levels itself out. Hit it with the torch a few times and it pops all the little air bubbles. It's fantastic. And with that quick coat, you can put on 2 or 3 coats a day, because it's ready to sand in about 4 hours, depending on the temperature. Cleanup on that, had a few questions about the cleanup. I just throw away the paintbrushes because I don't know, it'd take forever to probably clean that out with mineral spirits. So just toss them in the garbage and grab a new one. And that was it, I think, for the questions. If you have any more questions, please leave them below in the comments and we'll do another one. We are going to be in Las Vegas at the Artisan Summit. Actually, this is being released on Tuesday, so we're already in Vegas. We've been in Vegas for about an hour and we're having a great time. If you're in Las Vegas, the West Gate, go check out. I'll put a link down below to the Artisan Summit there. If you're an artist and trying to figure out how to market your stuff, it would be a great event for you. There's going to be a ton of great speakers there. So it's the West Gate Resort and Casino, and just follow the signs to the Artisan Summit. All right. Again, if you have any more questions, please leave them below in the comments and we will keep working our way through them. All right. Till next time, have a great day.